order to organize my groceries, I have to clean my fridge. I don't know where I got it. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna faint. Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Aujourd'hui, we are gonna be cleaning my apartment. I said I wasn't gonna do this, but that was a year ago. So today we're gonna clean my apartment, and honestly, I don't know, she's looking really rough. Mostly though, my closet. Also, I look crusty queen. I have this big old cart because I'm gonna be putting all of my boxes in there so I can take it to the recycling bin. Guys, beware, this is really bad. Like the amount of recycling I have, it's mostly just boxes from packages I've gotten, but also my closet is literally a junkyard right now. Okay, look at this. Clean, beautiful, we love her. Now remember that, because that's what I identify as. Clean, beautiful. I hope that after you guys see my closet, you guys don't think of me differently. This is my closet. As you guys can tell, lots of freaking boxes. These are all from PR. And then I have those clothes, which those are my sell on Poshmark clothes, which I have literally stacked it because I have so much stuff. It's really messy, okay? Yeah, and then I also have clothes because I'm a mess. Those are clothes I need to freaking fold, and I'm hoping today, you know, I'll do it all. But I don't freaking know, because knowing me, I might like procrastinate and leave it for another day. Anyways, I'm looking really rough. I wanted to look cute for this video and stuff, but I decided to not because I just want to prove a point that we're all beautiful without makeup. I'm just kidding, guys. I was just lazy. Okay, so I just came back from grocery shopping, bought some groceries, so I'm just gonna like organize all my groceries. But in order to organize my groceries, I have to clean my fridge. I don't want to clean my fridge. Like, I hate it. But okay, ready? Dun, dun, dun. Here's my fridge, guys. Honestly, it's not that bad. I mean, to me, it's not that bad. I just have like a lot of food that is expired. So we're gonna start off by cleaning the fridge so we can put all of the groceries in the fridge. Voila! Let's get started. Also, I do post notification shout outs at the end of all my videos. So if you guys would like a shout out, all you guys have to do is like, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell. If you guys turn on the post notification bell and you guys comment, you guys can get that shout out. Anyways, man, I look so cute even when I look crusty. This type of confidence, I don't know where I got it. Why is my fridge broken? Like, why does it not open all the way? Will it break if I do that? Oh, y'all, I fixed it. I also have to make dinner. Fuck, man, look at me. Oh my god, I look like a teenager going through puberty and doesn't understand their personal style. Let's get started. Look at this raging ass pimple right there. Anyways, we're gonna do the dishes. I don't know how all of this accumulated. I live alone. How does one person do that?
Things aren't always what they seem, so don't believe everything you read. You and I wanna.
So I finished doing the dishes and in the freaking middle of me literally like about to buy this dress, like I was literally putting in my card information, it literally sold out. This dress I wanted this dress so freaking bad, bruh. Literally love at first sight. I saw it and I was like, I'm gonna buy that. And then somebody bought the last one in my size. I'm so sad. That dress was literally $300. Maybe it was meant to be. Maybe the universe didn't want me to hurt my pockets, but still. Anyways. I'm just so sad. Go away, mommy's so sad. I'm so sad. Let's put the flowers I bought. Just got these two and let's put them in a vase. Cute. That looks so good. Why am I so cute and aesthetic? Beautiful. Guys, I'm getting to the point where I'm like, do I really want to clean my closet? But I definitely am going to be taking out the recycling. Let's go take the recycling out. Stubbed my foot and I feel like I'm gonna faint. Oh, I think I'm gonna faint. Oh my baby Jesus, I almost fainted in the elevator. I could not see, I couldn't even get out of the elevator. I fucking walked into the wall. I'm literally still seeing stars right now. I stubbed my foot. And then for some reason, I just felt like I needed to faint. I need to take a break. Guys, I am looking rough. This is how you look like after you faint. What the heck? So I was here like, I think I need to faint. I literally did faint. I caught it on camera, but I just didn't realize I fainted because I was able to wake back up. Literally, when I woke back up, in my head, the first thought was, did I faint? But I was like, no way. I was like, I would have remembered. I didn't remember because clearly I was gone. Oh my God, I cannot believe that happened. I cannot believe that happened. I can't believe I caught one of my fainting sessions on camera. Like, I literally fainted twice when I was in Vegas, which was a few months ago. And then I fainted in high school, like in the shower. Honestly, that frequently of fainting is not okay. You guys see this? I look dead. Oh my gosh, should I even keep cleaning? I'm hungry though, so we're gonna cook dinner at least. Okay guys, I gave myself 30 minutes and I feel so much better now. I literally am so shocked that I fainted and I caught it on camera. That is so scary, and it's so scary to think about the fact that I fainted alone. Literally all because I stubbed my foot. You guys wanna see it? See that? That little red dot? It hurt so bad when I stubbed my foot to the point where I got a head rush to the point where I freaking fainted. I'm gonna go see a doctor tomorrow. Oh, Shar's calling. Hello. Anyways, let's get started. I'm gonna be making my favorite pasta, guys. But if you guys watch my channel, you guys have seen me make this like a few times. But this is my favorite thing to make when I'm like lazy and I just want to buy stuff quickly and just make something quickly. So like all you need are your pasta noodles. I like the ones that say peen, heavy cream, spaghetti-o sauce, onion, and you need ground beef. And then you're gonna need seasoning and stuff. I'll just put it on the screen when I put it on. Roll the montage. to the show Manifest and tell me why I'm about to cry. Like, it's so good already. Manifest is about this airplane. I'm going off of the description, but it's about an airplane that took off and didn't land until 5 years later. But everybody in the airplane, it's only been 3 hours and 19 minutes for them. So they're back and it's like, what? We're in the future? Wait, you cannot have this. Anyways, guys, the pasta is very good. I was gonna do like a full-on cleaning. I don't think that's gonna happen. Okay, guys, I'm done eating and I'm sorry I look so crusty all the time, you guys. I can't look cute all the time. Just like how Chloe can't look cute all the time, you my crusty little dog. She's not even brown anymore. Y'all remember when I got her? She literally looked like chocolate. Now she looks like a white dog. Like a light beige, white looking dog. I don't know how that happened. You change your color, bitch. She changes her hair color as often as I do. What the fuck? Anyways, guys, here's a little update on my nose. It's been 8 days since I got it done. I still have a little bit of bruising, but it's not too bad. The side profile. She's side profiling, right? But before the video ends, I do want to do post notification shout out Chloe. I swear to God, bro. So for post notification shout out, it goes to Jessica V. Jamomi. I love you. Thank you for watching. Any updates in my life? I was gonna make a full video about this, but you know what? Let's just do it here. So guys, I am moving back into my parents' house because I'm broke. No, I'm just kidding. I'm actually moving back into my parents' house because I want to save money. I just feel like living in an apartment, like it's been 2 years and I'm realizing it's a waste of money. And also number two, I actually miss living with people now. What do you know? I feel like I've learned a lot since I moved out, but I want to move back in with my family now. It's the weirdest thing. One of the reasons why I didn't want to stay with my family when I first moved out was because I felt like I didn't really have that much like freedom, privacy. For the most part, my parents were like kind of strict, like not too strict, but a little bit to the point where I wanted to leave. But things are different now. Ever since I moved out, my family's a lot more free now. Like my parents, they're always busy with either work or like going to do their activities. My parents have a lot of hobbies, so they're always like fishing and stuff. I feel like I triggered that. I left and all of a sudden everybody in my house is like busy now. I just feel like my parents are not as like on our booty as much as they used to. One of the biggest reasons why I want to move back is because I'm really tired of cooking for myself. I'm tired of having to go to the grocery store all the time, coming home, cooking, or coming home to no food. Then I'm like, fuck, I have to go to the grocery store. And it's just that whole thing. Like, I really appreciate every time people come over and they're like, they bring food. Like, that makes me so happy. I don't know. I just miss having people at home and missing having other people I can rely on sometimes, because living by yourself is so much responsibility and sometimes it feels like a lot. So yeah, I'm moving back in with my parents. And also one of the reasons why I didn't want to move back in all this time was because I just felt like my parents' house wasn't like renovated the way like is my aesthetic. You know, this apartment is literally my aesthetic. It's so nice. But I asked my parents like, can I move back in? And also like, if I do, can we do renovations? And they were like, yeah, like let's do it. So I am moving back in with my parents and I plan to live there for about 4 to 5 years. That's my plan in my head. Save money, and hopefully within those 4 to 5 years I can buy a few properties, you know. I feel like that's the move. I think I want to move out of state really bad. I have no idea where I want to go. Like, what if I go to Texas? What if I go to California? What if I go to New York? I don't know how my life is going to be in 4 to 5 years. Obviously nobody knows, but I'm just going to take it day by day, because sometimes you have to take that 1 step backwards to go those 10 steps forward. I definitely feel like moving back in with my parents is a really smart move financially, but also like in the future too. Think about it, living in an apartment for the rest of my life, like how do you save? Because I spend like $25,000 a year on my apartment. Honestly, probably more than that. That's not even including like electricity and stuff. Literally, I can move back in with my parents and look, I save $24,000. That's a house. This is a decision I made for my future. I feel like I'm gonna be fine. It's okay to not know what the future looks like. It's okay to not know. I think the most important thing is that every day, you know you're trying and you're proud of yourself. Like, not to sound cliche, one of the biggest things I've learned is that if you want good things to come to you, they come to you when you have high vibration. So if you're setting the tone every day, you know, good vibes, then I feel like it's easier for the universe to bring you things that you want and need and deserve. So that's what I've been really trying to work on, just having a high vibration every day. And whether that means waking up early, going to the gym, or creating a whole schedule of things you want to do for the week and actually successfully doing all of those things, set your vibrations, and that is how you set yourself up for success. I feel like I'm in my philosophical era of my life. I'm a hot girl philosopher. I should make merch with that. Hot girl philosopher. Because seriously, I feel like the older I get, the more I think about things deeply, the more I find how everything has a reason. Like if I feel like something shitty happens, I'm like, well, you learned something from it, didn't you? There's always something good out of something, you know? I don't know, guys. I feel happy, and I really want you guys to know that when you set yourself up with high vibrations, it makes it easier for the universe to give you what you want and need and deserve. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell. I'm such a YouTuber. Videos every Monday, but sometimes like this video, I surprise you guys. Bye! Mwah!